We ended the previous session saying that the failure to make a decision is what we often refer to as procrastination. Again, it's simply deferring the act of making a decision until a later date for some reason. You say to yourself, I'm going to get more information. I'm going to wait until it feels better. I'm not really clear on which decision is the right one. You are constantly second-guessing yourself. Here's one of the things I want to point out for you. Recognize that not making a decision is a decision in and of itself. In other words, choosing not to make a decision today and putting it off until tomorrow or next week or next month or next year, you're actually deciding not to decide. In almost every case, that's actually a poor decision. The sooner you make a decision, the better off you are. To boost your productivity and the results you get, making decisions is absolutely key. What you need to decide on is, first of all, your priorities, which are covered in the last session. You need to decide that you are going to implement simple systems and strategies to get you what you want. That's what I'm going to deliver you in this program. The other thing is clarity also enables decision making, because then you get super clear on exactly what you want. That tends to help you focus on and know what needs to be done and what you shouldn't be doing. Clarity builds confidence for you and allows you to have a more confident decision-making process for yourself. Another way to look at it, very powerful, is this quote: "Once you make a decision, the universe conspires to make it happen." That was from Ralph Waldo Emerson. It's amazing how it happens, and hopefully you have experienced this at some point in your life. I experience this all the time when I get really clear on what I want to achieve and I make the decision that that's what I'm doing. When I commit, all these great opportunities start to present themselves almost like magic. That is the way that this works. The clarity and the decision making are two of the keys that you need to build on. Finally, let's review the last key. Let's move on to the next session now, where I'm going to cover the third critical element for you. The power of boundaries. See you there.